Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Telly Talks, the place where we make tech easy and fun for everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. Today, we've got something super cool to talk about. We're diving into the VIZIO D-Series 24 Class LED HDTV Smart TV. And guess what? We're making it so easy to understand that even a 10-year-old can become a TV expert. So, let's get started. First things first, this TV is renewed. Imagine a superhero getting a second chance to save the day. That's what renewed means. It's been checked, fixed, and it's ready to rock and roll. Plus, you get a 90-day guarantee from Amazon. How cool is that? His TV is 24 inches, which is like two rulers put together. It's perfect for your bedroom, or maybe a small living room. And it looks sleek, so it's gonna make any space look tech-savvy. Now, let's talk about the picture. It's got 720p resolution, which is like having a really good slice of pizza. It's not the whole pizza with all the toppings, but it's still pretty tasty. Great for cartoons, video games, and YouTube. This TV is smart. I mean, it can connect to the internet and let you watch Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube without needing any extra stuff. It's like having a mini computer just for fun. Oh, and did I mention it has Chromecast built in? That means you can show stuff from your phone or tablet on the big screen. Family movie night just got an upgrade. This TV is like the popular kid in school. It knows how to connect with everyone. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even an Ethernet port, so you can hook it up to almost anything. Inside the box, you get the TV, a stand, and a remote control. It's like opening a new toy. You've got everything you need to start having fun right away. The price is $99.50, which is like buying 20 large ice cream cones. And it's got a 4.3 out of 5-star rating on Amazon, so people seem to really like it. So, is this VIZIO TV worth your time and money? If you want a cool, smart TV that's not too big and not too expensive, this one's a winner. Plus, it's renewed, so you're being a hero for the planet too. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Leave your questions and comments below, and I'll catch